Range fans, whoo-wee! Man, it's cold out here, but we're gonna try to heat it up today with the KRG Bravo, the TikkaT1X, and sitting on top, the Vortex 6-24 Crossfire. And of course, sitting, that's right, Josh, I brought him back, sitting on this beautiful Ransom Master Series rest, with these now quick change gold thumb screws. We are ready. But folks, I got some Lapua Biathlon Extreme, because these conditions, it's not quite extreme, but it is cold out here at 28 degrees and 14-mile-per-hour winds. So I'm really not sure how well this thing's gonna shoot, but I've got to get this thing tested with the TriggerShims.com boat shims in it. That's right, boat shims, folks. 4,000s in the TikkaT1X. We're gonna see how it shoots today in this wind, closes. The boat shims are supposed to give greater consistency. I have them in every rifle, and I'm trying to keep it quick, not just because it's cold, but you guys know, shh, don't tell him. This is old Big Red's rifle. That's right, I snuck it out the house before he knew it. So I got to get it back to him, and hopefully I can sneak it back into their place without him knowing it's gone. So let's get started. I'm just really excited today. Let's get started and put some rounds down range. Oh, let's warm it up, range fans. That's right, the KRG Bravo and TikkaT1X, but I had to make a little change. I went to shoot to see where this thing was shooting with that Lapua Biathlon, and this is it. The boat shims from TriggerShims.com, it was very hard to close and open. And I thought, oh boy, that's why you bring different ammo to the range with you, and also a little bit of how you tune with boat shims from TriggerShims.com and the TikkaT1X and the other platforms that they are provided by. The Eley match, smooth as butter. So we're gonna shoot with Eley match today at 50 yards, and we're gonna put as many rounds down range in 5-round groups as I can stand before my hands get all froze and I get the Fred Sanford arthritis hands. Let's see what we can do, folks. 5 rounds, first group. Oh boy, what am I doing out here? My goodness, this is nuts. All right, here we go. Oh, wait, left. Not bad, but it's warming up. That's okay. And you know what? We're going to make a little adjustment. Got the windage. Wrong way. Okay, there we go. 5 more rounds. 14-mile-an-hour winds. Whoa. Trying to wait for that wind to die down. And I can tell I pulled that last one. God dang it. Not the best showing, but folks, it is 28 degrees out here. My old hands are stiff. I don't have that great a trigger feel. Yeah, I'm making excuses. But this is Eley match with the TikkaT1X platform and a KRG Bravo with a 6-24 Vortex crossfire on top, and boat shims from TriggerShims.com. Of course, sitting on this beautiful Ransom Master Series rest. That's right, I'm proud of them. And you know what? I'm going to continue to shoot from my rest there, Mr. Josh, Ultimate PRS, NRL 22 shooter. I don't care what you say about me. No, Josh knows I'm just kidding. He and I banter back and forth. Great guy, great channel over there. All right. Whew, let's go. Dead center. I think that's the best group of the day. What you folks think? I think it's warming up too. We're heating it up, heating it up. Come on, Tikka. Oh. Oh man, this wind is something nasty today, but I'm out for myself. A little therapeutic shooting going on today. And we're going to put 10 shots in the last target. And I think that's all these old hands can stand. Folks, what I wanted to do today was almost like child's play. I borrowed or snuck Big John's rifle, and I wanted to see how this thing would shoot with boat shims from TriggerShims.com. It's the first time it's been on the range with this setup. Again, tune these boat shims. They come with different thickness. This one's got a 4 thousandths in it. It would not close on the Lapua Extreme Biathlon ammo, so I ended up using the Eley match ammo. And that's what we're doing today. But definitely worth tuning, definitely worth checking out. You can see other videos that I've published on this channel. And thank you all for the support with boat shims from TriggerShims.com, folks. They seem, in my humble opinion, to improve upon all the rifles. Kind of hard to tell in this old crazy weather today, but that's okay. 10 shots. What do you think, folks? What do you think? Not too bad in this old weather. There you have it, folks. Just wanted to get out and make a quick video. And also, like a little kid, I borrowed something and wanted to sneak out and see what this thing will do on the range. Hey, folks, I've been trying to decide. You've seen the CZ 452 and 455 on this channel. Is it time for a 457? Or is it time for a Tikka? Or should I go past the Tikka since I have one I can sneak every now and again and maybe go up to the Bergera? I don't know. You guys comment down below. Tell me what you think. By the way, I hope all of you have a very safe, happy new year. And I hope all of you had a really very Merry Christmas. Be safe out there, folks. Woo! I'm going home. It's cold out here. Range fans, I was packing up to go home, but I found some CCI standard velocity and wanted to see how this thing would shoot with them. I don't know if this bolt's gonna close, how hard it's gonna close with trigger shims. I told you in the video, you really need to tune it, but I got an old truck and warmed up the old hands to see if I could pull maybe 10 shots off. Let's see, let's put them down range. It didn't close too bad. Here we go. Ooh, low. It's creeping up. Ooh, same hole. The last three, not too bad. It is cold out here. That barrel's cold. Let's put another 5 shots, see what we can do. Yeah, that bolt's a little tight with CCI standard velocity. Yeah, real tight. Now, I thought they would shoot better. It's okay. It's unfair too, because my eyes are watering up. But you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take 5 more rounds with the barrel warm. Hopefully it doesn't cool off that quick. It just might. 22 doesn't put out a lot of heat. And we'll shoot at one of the numbers downrange. I hope I have the camera focused in the right spot. Let's pick out a spot. You know what? We're gonna go right in between. Well, I hit what I was aiming at there. Oh, same hole on that one. Not bad, not bad. Well, there you have it. You saw the TikkaT1X KRG Bravo with the CCI standard velocity and also the Eley match. We might need to take this down to 3000s. That way it's a little bit more friendly to all ammunition. It fed the Eley match really well with the 4000s bolt shim. But I'm noticing with CCI standard velocity that you saw the test on, and it wouldn't even close on the Lapua, what was it? Lapua Biathlon Extreme. But I tell you what, great outing, cold, might get Big John to reduce this down to the 3000s, and I think we will be fine. Check out triggershims.com. See the other videos, folks. It has improved and made a believer out of me. But anyways, I'm going home for real this time. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Mr. Revolver Guy, I'm signing out. If you ever wondered how much work this is, look how many times I've gone back and forth. Whew, from the target to the firing line. Oh, it's just 50 yards, ain't no big deal. But man, I should have wore my Gore-Tex boot because the old feet are getting wet and I'm going home.